Welcome to OSHWLab. Today, we're bringing you an amazing project. Let's take a closer look. This is a low-cost, highly flexible DIY guitar overdrive pedal, combining analog audio, design with digital control. It features 3-band pre-EC, selectable clipping diodes preset recall, buffered bypass, and USB MIDI for control and firmware updates. A single configurable knob enables preset switching or parameter control, built around the RP2040 and PT7314 audio processor. It delivers compact and efficient signal processing. The project has been shared on OSHWLab, which is perfect for learning mixed signal audio design.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.